Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. This channel which you are viewing is our TRFX Academy channel. TRFX Academy is nothing but our EduLearn platform, Education Learn platform, and this is linked with our fixed income platform www.fixedincome.global. You know that we already having around 5,000 plus videos on the YouTube covering our both YouTube channels. But having said that, not all knowledge-based videos can be put in the public domain. Henceforth, Treasury Consulting decided to launch the EduLearn platform, which we titled as TRFX platform. The video which you wanted to watch is a private video. Now, private video means it is only available to those people, those who are the member of the TRFX Academy. There are around, as we speak, there are around 8 plus different type of categories that we have in TRFX Academy. Example, basic series, advanced series, exotic series, clientele series, PPP series, treasury series, and so many. As the time would progress, we would be having more series on the cards, to be very honest. If you wish to see this private video, you can WhatsApp on our back office number, which is +91. +91 is an Indian code. 9818485155. 9818485155. All members of our TRFX Academy are entitled to have all videos as per the scheme which they opted for. Thank you very much, and we are envisaging to have around 1,000 plus exclusive private knowledge-based videos on our TRFX Academy by December 2021. And this journey would definitely continue. Have a great time ahead, sir. Thank you.